Hey guys, it's Brad. Welcome to the farm. I got a mess going on here in the garage during the snowstorm. Got a lot of projects going on. I wanted to bring the County Line 25-ton splitter in. I had a hydraulic hose go bad, and I wanted to give it a big service and cleaning. I haven't got to any of that yet, but let me tell you what I've discovered. We still got snow here, so I just got back from the hydraulic shop, my local hydraulic shop that is amazing. And let me catch you up on what I've done wrong so far trying to replace this hose, and what I'm going to do about it now. Sorry, I got bad lighting in here, but let me tell you what I've done so far. It's the County Line 25-ton log splitter from Tractor Supply. I bought it used years ago, and it's done fine. It finally busted a hose, the one from the valve that goes back into the filter and then back into the tank. Not sure if you can see where it busted right there. So the first mistake I made was just getting one off Amazon. Same, the hose is right, but the connections are wrong. So I took off, that Amazon didn't work. It was real cheap. I should have known. So I took off the hose and I took it into our local hydraulic shop where I get our, cylinders redone and everything. We've used them several times and they're amazing. So I carried the hydraulic hose, the broken one, into the shop, which is amazing. And the guy standing there was like, "Log splitter?" I said, "Yeah." He goes, "Okay." And then he prepared me for a little story. So he told me that he's done about 15 so far, log splitters. Those are metric fittings and not standard fittings. Tractor Supply doesn't have them. He said, "You get it Lowe's or Tractor Supply?" And I told him, I think it was from Lowe's. And he said, "Okay." And so he needs me to bring in the connections. He's going to have to change things. He's going to have to bring me the connections that are on the log splitter. He said, "Hang on to that, bring it back." But he also wants the fitting off the valve and the fitting off of the filter. Those two fittings right there. And that way he can make me one that fits. So I didn't quite understand why I needed those, but he said he's done about 15 this season. He's almost 100% sure that he could match them, but he said there's been a couple different, so he wants to verify that. So I'll take him in there and then I'll explain exactly what he meant, so maybe you don't have to go through this. Save you a trip, maybe. Save you a bad Amazon order. All right, I just time-lapse. You might have seen me, I struggled to get it out a little bit. I had to brace the filter, the filter thing with some firewood, so had something to turn against. Then the top was kind of weird too, but got them out. Okay, I'll run to town, see if I can save y'all a trip, see what he says. Jake, look here. Jake. All right, they're making me new hoses. Got me new fittings, and their hose will fit these new fittings, the ones I just took out. Okay, he explained it. There's the two fittings, which were $3.43 and $4.36, and then $65 for the hose and to make the hose. He explained my fittings were pipe fitting on one side, which stayed the same, but a metric fitting on the other. So he just used the the pipe fitting to now a standard JIC measurement. So good to go. Okay, home now. I just put some Teflon around it. The guy said to do that. They were on the old ones. I've heard different stuff, but he said it wouldn't hurt it. Be good for it. Bigger hose than I took off of this side. Let's put her back on. Okay, guys, that first little test looks like no leaks, and I hope that saves somebody a little bit of trouble. Don't do what I did, order off Amazon, and then rush back down to the store. So that was really 3 tries I did to get it right. But I appreciate everybody watching.